If the cursor on your LG TV keeps popping up and pulling your attention away from what you're watching, you're definitely not the only one. While it's designed to help with navigation, it can be frustrating when it appears at the wrong time. In this video, I'll guide you through simple steps to enable or disable the LG Magic Remote Cursor and go over a few easy fixes to stop it from showing up unexpectedly. Let's start with the quickest option, hiding the cursor temporarily. If the cursor is visible on your screen and you just want it gone for now, press any of the arrow keys on the remote, up, down, left, or right. As soon as you press one of these buttons, the cursor disappears and you can continue navigating using the arrow keys instead. Just keep in mind that this is a temporary fix. If you move the remote again or scroll the wheel, the cursor will automatically come back because the remote detects motion. If you want the cursor to appear again after hiding it, there's no need to open any settings. Simply move the remote slightly or scroll the wheel once and the cursor will show up on the screen right away. This makes it easy to switch back and forth depending on how you prefer to control the TV. Now, if you'd rather stop the cursor from appearing altogether, there's a more permanent option. Press and hold the home and back buttons on the remote at the same time for a few seconds. Keep holding until you see a message on the TV saying the remote has been disconnected. This turns off the remote's Bluetooth connection, which disables the cursor feature. If you ever want to bring it back, just hold the home and back buttons again, or press the wheel OK button once to reconnect the remote and restore the cursor. Let's move on to troubleshooting in case things aren't working as expected. If the cursor doesn't appear when you try to use it, the first thing to check is the batteries. Weak batteries are a very common cause and can make the cursor behave unpredictably or stop working entirely. Replacing them with fresh batteries often fixes the problem right away. If that doesn't help, try repairing the remote with the TV. Hold the home and back buttons until the remote disconnects, then press the wheel OK button to pair it again. If the cursor shows up too easily and keeps getting in your way, you can make it less sensitive. Go into your TV settings and look for the pointer or cursor options. Lowering the sensitivity reduces how easily motion activates the cursor. You can also rely more on the arrow keys instead of moving the remote frequently, which helps keep the cursor from appearing when you don't need it. That's it for this video on controlling the cursor on your LG Magic Remote. You should now have full control over when it appears, when it hides, and how it behaves. I hope this guide helped you fix the issue and made using your TV more comfortable. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and useful tech tips. And if you have any questions or one of these methods worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.